In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Magnetic Lasso Tool in Photoshop to make clean, precise selections with almost no effort. This is one of the easiest ways to cut out objects, especially when they have clear edges, and it's perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up Photoshop and load the image you want to work with. Once your image is ready, go over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and select the lasso tool. You can also press the shortcut key L on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Now, here's the important part. Right-click on the lasso tool icon and you'll see a few different options appear. From that list, choose the Magnetic Lasso Tool. This is the version that automatically detects edges as you move your cursor. Once selected, move your cursor to the edge of the object you want to cut out. Go ahead and click once to set your starting point. From here, slowly move your cursor along the edge of the object. You don't need to click repeatedly because Photoshop will automatically place anchor points as it detects the edges. As you trace around the object, you'll notice the selection line snapping to the edges. This is what makes the Magnetic Lasso Tool so powerful. Just keep moving steadily and let Photoshop do most of the work for you. Now, sometimes the tool might make a mistake and snap to the wrong edge. If that happens, don't worry. Simply press the Backspace key on Windows or Delete on Mac to remove the last anchor point. Then continue tracing along the correct edge. Take your time going around the entire object. The more carefully you move your cursor, the cleaner your selection will be. Once you've made it all the way around, you can close the selection by clicking back on your starting point, or just press Enter on your keyboard. And just like that, you now have an active selection around your object. You'll see the marching ants outline showing exactly what you've selected. From here, you can cut it out, apply adjustments, or place it on a new background. This tool is especially useful for objects with strong contrast against the background. And once you get the hang of it, it can save you a ton of time compared to manual selections. And that's it. That's how to use the Magnetic Lasso Tool in Photoshop. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more quick and easy Photoshop guides. I'll see you in the next one.